Hello everybody, welcome back to Sav's Glam Beauty. In today's video, as you can see, we will be making some papaya face cream. So I'm just gonna be splitting this papaya into two, like so. Sorry about the noise outside. I have no control. Oh my God, you guys, look at it. Nice, right? Beautiful. So I'm not gonna be needing a lot of papaya for this project. I'm just gonna be taking a little tiny piece out, like so, and I'm gonna put the rest away, okay? I don't need that much. So yeah. And I'm gonna blend this, and I will be right back. I'm just gonna be straining it like so. As you can see, I have a cheesecloth for a change, okay? So the next thing we're gonna be doing, we will be adding some aloe vera gel to our bowl, okay? I'm not measuring it. I'm sure this is like a spoonful. Let me just make sure. Just like I said, it's like a spoonful, okay? Now, I'm gonna be using a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon for a start. You know I like building it up little by little, right? Okay, so let me put this here because this is the main focus point. Yep. Okay, but definitely I know 1 isn't enough, so I don't want to waste time. I'm gonna add another spoon of papaya. Okay, let's mix. Right, I'm gonna add another. Just gonna be putting the rest of it in here, like so. I still have more. If it doesn't turn up like I want it to, definitely will be adding more to it. Okay. Now, the next thing I'll be adding will be some honey. This much of honey in here. like so. And the next thing will be some Jason's vitamin E oil. I don't know if you can see clear, but we adding a spoonful rather, a spoon of Jason's vitamin E oil. And the next thing I will be adding will be some jojoba oil. All right, a spoonful of jojoba oil. That should be enough. And all of that. Now let's try to mix and see how far this mixture is going to take us. Let's mix. It is pretty loose and watery. I do not like it, but we shall see. Okay. Now the next thing that I'm going to be adding will be some vegetable glycerin. Okay. I'm sorry about that noise. 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Now that I've added that, I'm gonna be adding more glycerin. No, more of aloe vera. Okay. All right. I still feel like it's a little loose still, so I'm gonna be adding a little bit more. So I just added a little bit more aloe vera. I'm just gonna be using my little mixer. I'm not gonna turn it on. Now I'm loving the consistency. I am really digging the consistency. Like, it is pretty thick. It's just right down my alley. So it's time to fill up our jars, okay? My jar is already cleaned and sanitized. So yes, you guys, this is our finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video and want to see more. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.